Hello, I'm Dan Desmond, and this is the standard Horizon BQ-160 Perfect Binder. The standard BQ-160 Perfect Binder can also serve as a patter and a tape binder. The basic operation: insert the book block, press the clamp button, and start the process. The book goes over the notching station, notches it one time, waits for the operator to place the cover onto the cover table, and then restart the process, whereby it notches the book block a second time, applies the glue, then applies the cover. When the cover has set up long enough, the clamp automatically opens to drop the book, and the books slide out for a nice, perfectly bound, squared edge. A couple of the features of the BQ-160. The operator chooses what mode they're going to be binding in, whether it's perfect binding, tape binding, or padding. Padding will automatically shut off the notching. The operator has several adjustments for the notching, whether they want it to notch in one direction or two, and more involved adjustments for the operator: clamping pressure, clamping time, clamping height, and clamping angle. The operator selects from those. The operator can also select the cover positioning. The operator is allowed to set the cover in the same place every time, and how it's set on the screen, the machine can move the book block either 1/4 of an inch up or 1/4 of an inch down on the cover automatically. So there's no fiddling with mechanical adjustments. The machine can do the work, and if you do make a parameter change for a specific job, you can go back to the defaults at any time, and it returns it back to center. When you're changing job sizes, say we were just doing a 5/8 inch thick book, and now we needed to do something that was 1/4 of an inch, when we select that, clamp that book in place, it gives the operator an indication that they need to change the glue thickness. The operator comes in and sets the glue thickness according to what it displays on the screen. And completes the process as normal. Again, we have a nice, perfect bound book with nice sharp square edges. Cover placement is just a little bit in for the top so that on your trimming you can clean up the edges. With the production speed on this binder, of all the same size job, same thickness book, and a good operator is going to average between 150 and 160 books per hour, realistically. If they're doing a lot of changeover, there's a few seconds added for changing the glue size, but there's no other adjustments that the operator has to make. This binder is capable of binding up to a 1.6 inch block. Again, the glue setting. Again, nice sharp square edges all the way through, and great cover adhesion. For a padding application, the operator sets it to padding mode, minimizes the glue setting, little too thick. The machine senses when it's too thick to make the correct book. You can tell by the sound that the roughening was automatically turned off. When the book block is ready in the padding mode to come out of the machine, you'll get the signal. The book drops, and now you have nice thin application of glue and perfect tear away pads.